Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install Pinterest on your Mac as a standalone app, fast and easy. Let's jump in. Start by opening Safari. You can click the Safari icon in your dock or press Command plus Space to open Spotlight, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to Pinterest.com. Now in the top menu bar, click File and choose Add to Dock. A window will appear letting you rename it if you want. I'll keep it as Pinterest. Click Add, and you'll see the Pinterest icon show up in your dock. Here's the best part. When you click the Pinterest icon, it opens in its own app-like window, completely separate from Safari. Even if you close Safari, Pinterest stays open and running like a native app. If you're using an older version of Mac OS and don't see the Add to Dock option, no worries. I've added an alternative method in the video description. And that's it. You've now got Pinterest installed on your Mac as a standalone app. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.